Hi everybody, this is Anthony from Sunny Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I've got my latest kit over here, and it is 28 pages. It is 10 main pages, 8 background pages, and 10 ephemera pages. It is on my Ko-fi store and on my Etsy store at a 25% discount. On Ko-fi, you will get the zipped JPEG versions as well as the PDF version, and then on Etsy you will just get the zipped JPEG version. Okay, but on both the sites they are on special. Right, so let's go through it. It's called Rustic Farm, if I'm not mistaken. So I really like the images, hence me putting this kit together. Okay, so let's go through it. That's page 1. Oh, and I printed, ooh, everything is falling. Sorry, I put them also neatly in here, all my leftover pages from my last kit, scraps, and now it all fell on the floor. Anyway, sorry about that. So this, yeah, page number 1, and I printed on 130 GSM or 120 GSM, one of the two. This is the second page. So I love the florals, and if anyone knows me, you know this is my favorite colors. 3, this is probably my favorite page. 3 and then 4. So I've given you space to write. If you noticed, some I have given you a space to write on, like there, okay. So here and there I try to give you some space to write, like here, in here, but okay. This page is also very pretty. And then here, can't not have the dog, cannot not have the dog. Yes. What about the moo? My son says moo. And the horse. Okay. So really, I've been wanting to do a farmyard theme from a very long time, but mostly like spring ones. And then when I found these images, I just had to use it. I love sunflowers. And here I've given you some pages where you can write there, here, there, and here. Or you can use it for whatever you want to. And there's a nice blank page, yeah? Okay. So these are now the background pages. This you will use it, you can use it both ways. You can use it landscape, or you can use it portrait. This one you might need to use it portrait because there is a tiny bit of writing in it. Okay, and there's another one. Nice blank page here with some texture on it. I thought I would give that to you. And then the same thing but with a doily on it, and then some other colors as well. And then these this is the first time I kind of designed something like this, and I kind of thought that they would make nice you know, cut out. If you cut out that image, then you can use it like in the journal in whichever way you want to, like for a writing spot. So maybe cut that out and keep it as a writing spot. Or the other thing I thought is, if you have little thoughts that you want to just add in different color pens on the different images over here, I mean, you know, kind of a thing. So maybe a green, pink, blue, whatever, with different thoughts on it. This over here also, you use it landscape, portrait, but looking at it, yeah, you must use it portrait. And who cannot have the polka dots? And you have to have some kind of stripes as well. So that's the kit there in terms of the blank pages. This is the 4 journaling cards that I always give to you. 2 portrait, 2 landscape. The colors in this kit are stunning. So here I've changed it a little bit in the sense that normally my pockets will have full of designs on it. Kind of changed it to be able to allow you to decorate the pockets how you would like to decorate them. Okay. Journaling, file folder, and then these beautiful images over here, stunning images here, and labels. Always labels are a good thing. Okay, and I took out some envelopes. You'll see, right? Well, I took out one, I think. So there's these 2 here. I find that they come in very handy. This here, which can you use as a page tuck or a belly band, an envelope, more journaling cards. I did take out the big envelope, more envelopes, seed packets, and more journaling cards here. This is in portrait view here. The other one was in landscape, and then another one of the page tucks or belly bands. And brought back the postcards with a nice big tag, and then here's your really big tags. I love the size of these tags. You can do so much of journaling on these size tags, and I say it from experience because I do write in my journals. Okay, so that is your kit. I do hope that you like it. Remember, I'll have the links below, and they are at 25% off in the stores, so hope that you take advantage of it. And I do apologize for not releasing kits very often this time, and hopefully I will be able to sort that out. Thanks so much, and I hope that you have an absolutely pleasant weekend. And also thank you for your support, and thank you for bearing with me. I know I haven't been around for a long time, and do take care. Lots of love from me, and have a blessed week ahead. Bye-bye.